It's high season in the Ciao Italia garden, and of course, we have the usual things that most people have. Tomatoes, zucchini, eggplant, parsley, scallions. But do you have carciofi? I don't think so. Well, maybe you do, but I do. And this is an artichoke plant. Look at this. It's so beautiful to look at with its ragged looking leaves. And these I put in early April. And now it's time for the harvest. And you know, it's a real feat to get artichokes in a cold climate, like New Hampshire, because you have to have a certain number of days where the temperature isn't too hot and it isn't too cold. It's just right. It's the Goldilocks vegetable. So this one is a little bit gone because it's not tight anymore. It's going to just evolve into a beautiful, beautiful purple flower called a thistle, because artichokes are part of the thistle family. But if you come down here with me to this plant, let's look at this one. Now this is a little better because here we have the side shoots, you see, these baby artichokes. I could harvest that now and there would be no thorny spikes inside, no hairy interior. And this one too. But this one I should harvest because it's starting to tell me that it needs to go into the pentola, the pot. So I'm going to come right down here to the gumbo. The gumbo means the stem. I'm going to take that one and the baby artichoke just to show you the difference. Get that off. Okay, so this is the gumbo, the stem. Most people would just whack that off and throw it away, but not the Italians. Oh no. If you just give this a little peel underneath this pale looking skin is a beautiful, vibrant green color that's tender, wonderful to eat. And the baby artichokes, you don't even have to cook. You can just cut those up raw and use them in a salad. There are lots of ways to use artichokes, and they are a beloved vegetable in Italy.